Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the another topics. Today this is the root pressure. So what is about root pressure? Root pressure, that is a kind of pressure which is mainly generated inside the particular root hair cells, and by means of root pressure the particular kinds of absorbed water that can be transport further in the particular roots in the upward direction. So next one is, what is the process of absorption of water in case of particular roots one, and that can create the particular kinds of pressure, and that is known as root pressure. So first of all, the water absorbed in case of root hair cells by means of osmosis one also, and after the absorption of water through the process of osmosis, the water molecules can be moved inside the particular kinds of cells, and after the movement of water inside the particular cells, then what will occur? The cytoplasmic pressures or cytoplasmic content will be increased very much, and due to increase of particular cytoplasmic content, this can cause the cytoplasmic pressure inside the particular root hair cells, and this kinds of cytoplasmic pressure that can be cause the particular kinds of root hair cells become turgid in condition. And what is the meaning of turgid in condition? They can be become the hard and rigid structure. So all the kinds of processes that can result finally in the process of root hair pressures. Okay, this kinds of phenomena mainly results for the particular absorption and transports of water towards the upward direction in case of particular root hair cells. So this kinds of root pressure can be explained by the particular experimental design, and this kinds of experimental design having following features or following structures. This is the kinds of particular plant twig, and this one is also a plant twig, and this kinds of plant twig that can be connected with the particular kinds of instrument. This is known as manometer, and this manometer can be connected to the particular plant twig through the rubber valve. Okay, and this kinds of manometer, that is a kinds of device mainly used to measure the kinds of pressure one also. Okay, and that kinds of pressure that can be generated in the roots one also, or root hair cells, that is a kinds of root pressure. So here we have to identify the particular kinds of pressure inside the cells. So how can we observe the pressure through the experimental way? First of all, we have to set up this kinds of experimental design. First of all, we have to select the particular plant twig, and after that we have to connect this kinds of manometer to this kinds of plant twig with the proper rubber one also, rubber valve also. Next one is, this is a kinds of mercury level. Okay, and at the initial stage this mercury level will be normal condition or same level. Okay, in case of both one, and after that, after some times, the particular kinds of mercury level has to be increased accordingly. Okay, after some times means after 2 hours, 3 hours, or 5 hours, or any times. Okay, after some times the level of mercury has to be increased itself up to this level, and this increment of mercury level that can shows the particular kinds of cells that can absorb the water through the osmosis process, and they can become the turgid condition, and during the turgid condition, this can transport the particular kinds of water by creating the kinds of pressure, and this kinds of pressure, this is known as root pressure. Okay, so the root cells become turgid condition. After becoming turgid conditions, increase the cytoplasmic pressure. Okay, and after increasing the cytoplasmic pressure, what will occur? And the upward movement of water by the cytoplasmic streaming. What is about cytoplasmic streaming? Means water content that can capable to move from cytoplasm to cytoplasm due to the root pressure of hair cells. Then after this kinds of phenomena, the rise of mercury levels will be occurs, and due to the rise of mercury levels, we can identify the particular kinds of pressure that can be generated inside the roots, and that kinds of pressure, this is known as root pressure. So this is a whole about the root pressure. And what is about root pressure? The kinds of pressure which is mainly generated inside the root hair cells, this kinds of pressure, that is known as root pressure, and this kinds of root pressure mainly help for the absorption and transportation of water towards the central region of the particular plant structures, and after that this can help to ascent of sap also towards the upward direction one also. So this is whole about the root pressure. So thank you.